Alright, so here's a video on how to use auto shift for Model 3. Make sure you're under the new holiday update and then go under dynamics. Make sure that auto shift beta is on, and after you have those settings checked, you can do auto shift, and here's how it works. To get started with auto shift, all you gotta do is drive forward. It will use the camera to detect that it's blocked in front of you, and you have to reverse. And then there's two conditions that will pop up. To activate reverse, spin the steering wheel one way and press brake. So that condition is met, press brake. I'll shift into reverse. Now you can back forward. And next up, to drive, activate drive, spin the steering wheel forward and then press brake. Go forward. And you don't actually have to meet those conditions in that order. So here's me going here again. You can actually press brake first and then activate reverse by spinning steering wheel. So you don't have to follow those two conditions in that order. As long as they are met, it will work. It is a little bit clunky, I feel like. You have to press brake every time, and it does seem a little bit slower. So here's me trying to manually shift gears. I don't have to wait for it to actually stop. I can just swipe down here while the car is still kind of moving forward a little bit. And here, to activate drive, I may use this one more than reverse, because this way I don't have to lift my hands off the steering wheel. But reverse, I may just manually take over myself because it seems a little bit quicker that way. Here's me again manually doing it. So reverse, seems a little bit quicker this way versus having to press brake. But this one, you can see it works. The auto shift definitely works. You don't have to lift your hands off the steering wheel, which is always a great feature. But it just seems a little clunky. I'm sure it'll improve with software update. But until then, it's just a matter of preference of which one I will end up using. Probably reverse will be myself, and drive will be just me using the auto shift. Either way, great feature. Can't wait to see more improvements of it. Let me know your thoughts on this one.